Ugh. Okay, here we are. So this is not the first day of rehab, but we're very early on in the process. So as you can see behind me, we've had the building painted, but that's about it. We're in the middle of pulling out all the trash. So these buildings, and I'm gonna flip it around. So these buildings, and this is just the first one, I'll kind of walk you through the second one, but these buildings are an absolute mess. We've done a pretty good job of giving it an outdoor facelift right now. So later next week, we're gonna get this roof replaced with like a silver looking aluminum type metal roof. But anyway, so we've had the dumpster delivered, and I'll kind of show you what's going on in this first unit. So these have or had carpet like this going all the way through it, and we're just now starting to take up the carpet. There's Sanchez. But in here, so downstairs we've got, oh, there we go, that's better. So downstairs we've got a half bathroom, kitchen, and living room. Upstairs is two bedrooms and a bathroom. But in here, so we basically tore out all the cabinets, and I can put up some before pictures. Took out all the cabinets, and we're gonna replace this drywall that's been pretty well wrecked. So we gotta wait on our permits and whatnot to get to do plumbing stuff. But anyways, so the plan is to put new drywall up here, new cabinets, new appliances, fix the plumbing where necessary. These apartment units have washer and dryer hookups, but I doubt we are gonna furnish the washer and dryers just because of maintenance issues, and you know they tend to break. So we'll let the tenants, if they want to, they can put their washer and dryer in here. But in this little area, we've got a pantry / water heater room. And I'm guessing, I don't know a whole lot about the water heaters, but this looks old, so we'll be replacing it once we get permits pulled. So in here you'll see, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but up there, you can't really see it, but up there is, we're right below the bathroom upstairs, so we're gonna be fixing that. And there's Tyler. Making a video. So anyways, let's go upstairs. All right, so upstairs, we've got this bedroom. We've basically got a matching mirroring bedroom over here. And we're in the process of taking these floors up right now. But so these windows, you'll see in a couple of other units that these windows here are in rough shape and need to be replaced. This one looks okay, but a lot of them are not. So if we go over here, I've already taken this vanity up. We're gonna replace the vanity, new floor, new tub once the permits are pulled. But anyways, as you can see, this is pretty nasty. Actually a hole in the shower. Flooring that's messed up. This drywall came out whenever the vanity came out. It's good glue or good nails or something, I don't know. But in this room, we got a little linen closet. So anyways, this is where we're at right now with the first unit. Okay, I'm in the back of the apartments here. I'll kind of give you an idea of where we're working with. So, side of the apartments, and these are the back of all the units. So down there, as you can see, those are the other 6 of the 14. So we're gonna be taking these things off when we do the roof. We've now got a no dish policy. But so some of these HVAC units will need to be replaced. Not all of them, thankfully, but you know, you can see like that one up there will need to be replaced. But back here is just, it's kind of a mess. We got windows busted out up there, as you can see. Now this was a lot worse. We've already had 1 load of junk, or actually 2 loads of junk cleared out. And here is one of the tenants' illegal dogs. That'll be out January 1st. No dogs or cats or anything here. But we had to have some of these doors completely replaced, like this one. And there's still junk in there that needs to be taken out, but so like this one had to be completely replaced because all of this was just completely rotten. You can see that this is pretty much new here. This wall obviously will be replaced. But I mean, I just can't get over how nasty some people are. I don't understand how you live like this. But you can see all the satellite dishes. Some of these have, like this one, got one right there and one right there. Crazy. But so anyways, all this will be cleared up, cleaned up. We'll pressure wash these back patio things. Some of these will get new HVAC units. See, we got this laying out here all over the place. This is pretty nasty. I'll walk in the second unit. Now, the smell in here is just terrible. All this will have to be ripped out, obviously. But like people, it's just nastiness. All this will be ripped out, replaced with new drywall and new flooring and new everything. But hole punched in there because there was no door stopper. Here's the countertop that was there. So we're going to be putting new quartz countertops in. So we'll go up here to this upstairs, which is also disgusting. People just leaving trash. Totally junked the place up. Ugh. There's no telling what type of nastiness came in here, happened in here. We got no telling what type of videotapes. I'm not gonna watch them. Ugh. Oh, a dartboard. In here, I'm fairly certain this was probably like a trap house. Ooh. Don't look at that one. Gross. Broken out window. More tapes. It's just unbelievable that people live like this. And didn't seem to mind it. bathroom. Ugh, I won't talk about what I had to clean out of there earlier today. So as bad as this is, believe it or not, it'll look good when we're done.